Hi everybody. Now I would like to teach you about the conditional shift clause which is related to type 3 such as unfulfilled condition. Generally we use type 3 conditional shift clause unfulfilled condition in order to talk about things that did or did not happen in the past. We use conditional shift clause type 3 in order to talk about things that did or did not happen in the past. That is the point that we have to remember regarding unfulfilled condition type 3. Conditionals if clause unfulfilled condition structure. If plus subject plus had plus third form of the verb V3 plus object comma subject plus would or could or might plus have plus third form of the verb plus object plus phrase. This is the structure that we have to remember regarding unfulfilled condition which is related to type 3 conditional shift clause. Here, after the subordinating conjunction if, you can find the statement which is in the past perfect tense. What is the structure of past perfect tense? Subject plus had plus third form of the verb V3 plus object plus phrase. Generally, we use past perfect tense with the simple past tense. When two actions took place in the past, the first action is to be spoken by using past perfect tense and the second action is to be spoken by using simple past tense. Here, according to this example, according to the structure which is given here, once again let us follow the structure. If plus past perfect plus subject plus would have or could have or might have plus third form of the verb V3 plus object plus phrase. Now let us see the example which is related to the structure such as unfulfilled condition. Type 3 conditionals if clause. If you had met me, comma, I would have helped you. If you had met me, I would have helped you. If plus past perfect tense, comma, subject plus would have plus third form of the verb plus object. Okay. If you had met me, I would have helped you. Now let us take some more examples which are related to type 3 conditional shift clause. I did not have a degree. I did not get a good job. Let us combine these two events or statements by using if conditionals, type 3 conditional shift clause. If I had a degree, I would have got a good job. You did not help me. I did not help you. Let us join or combine these two events by using type 3 conditional shift clause. If you had helped me, I would have helped you. Okay. In such a way, you can create number of examples which are related to type 3 conditionals if clause. If you had asked me, I would have answered you. If you had talked to me, I would have talked to you. If you had spoken in English, I would have spoken in English. If you had gone to Guntur, you would have bought it. If you had written the exam, you would have passed the exam. In such a way, you can create number of statements or sentences which are related to type 3 conditional shift clause. Okay, I hope you have understood this session very carefully, which is related to type 3 conditional shift clause such as unfulfilled condition. In my next session, I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.